Indian Neophyte, a platform to learn. Here you can learn so many things like English speaking, cooking, interview techniques, lifestyle, and so many things. Join us and learn with fun. Guys, Abhishek here from Indian Neophyte. Firstly, I welcome you to my channel, and today I'm going to add one more playlist, English jokes, and this playlist will target your study on a fun level. So, if I talk about today's lecture, then we'll see some more stories of present continuous, perfect continuous, because we haven't seen that story in the previous lecture, so we'll see in this lecture. So let us start. Ben has been working for 40 years and has an experience of life. His wife has gone, but he's still enjoying his life by doing yoga, traveling, and his daily works. Once a day, he gets an advertisement and thinks to join because he has an eager to love. To apply, he gives an interview through video calling and gets selected in the same company he applies. When he reaches to his office, he feels young and energetic. This is the first day of Ben. He reaches to his desk. He is arranging his old stuffs on the table. Now he turns the laptop on. He sees that an email is already waiting for him. He has got an appointment at 3:55. He is very punctual. He reaches on time for the appointment. Boss gives him a small work according to his age, but he wants to do some more. Now he is helping his colleagues and they are appreciating him. Now he is happy in office, making friends and enjoying his office life with his friends. Here you can clearly see the tenses used in the story. You can take the screenshot or you can pause the video. Have you enjoyed that story or not? Yeah, enjoyed of course, because that was too funny story. Subscribe our channel, like our video and share with your friends. You can also join us on Telegram, Insta and like our Facebook page too. Thank you.